all night. Now clean your inside. You're cutting off because I'm stop sitting. So you said turn right, Kimberly City. Isn't that correct? Oh yeah. My fucking brakes ain't fucking stopping. Oh my fucking word. Are you kidding me? Yup, my brakes are fucking shot again. Oh my word. I just passed my fucking turn. It wouldn't stop. I gotta turn around somewhere. Fuck. Yeah. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna flip this bitch. Where I wanna go. Fuck. I guess I'm gonna go to this fucking thing and back in right here. I don't fucking know. This is crazy. Oh, can I do a U-E here? I can do a U-E here. I was about to fucking back into this thing. Fucking shit. Oh man, this is butter. I was about to try to back in and do something crazy. Oh my freaking word. I'm glad he's got the gate open. That pisses me off. I knew my brakes fucking weren't stopping. Well, when I left the yard to try to stop for that light, when I pushed down on the brakes, it was just going. Wasn't stopping. And then I did it at the plant, and that's when the two lights came on. And I thought maybe I was just crazy. This is why I thought I was just crazy. But I know I'm not when I can't stop for a turn. Well, I'm gonna probably, I'll just wait until I start heading up around. I'm gonna call him again before it gets too late. Well, I should have probably pulled the emergency brake and see what happened.